How to bridge Solana. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for all bridge. After that, open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Over here, just simply select the option of all bridge classic and then select the option of bridge now. Then it will redirect you over here. When you scroll down, you would be able to see this option of connect wallet. Simply click on it, and now you can connect your Phantom wallet, Solfear, Extension or Exodus. Simply select any of the wallet that you have. I will personally use Phantom wallet for this. Simply select Phantom wallet, then it will send you this particular request in order to connect. Simply connect and wait for it to do its work. And after you are connected, it would ask you the amount and the address, but we need to make some edits. For this, just simply click on edit over here, and here we need to choose whether we are sending from Solana or to Solana. Suppose we are sending to Solana and we are sending it from BNB chain, so we will select BNB on the top and select Solana over here. Since Solana is not there, we will search for it and select Solana. After that, we need to select the asset that we are sending from BNB chain to Solana. Suppose it is USDT, so we will select USDT over here, and this is how it will appear. You can also search for it, the normal one, and after that simply connect your wallet and you would be able to send from BNB chain to Solana the USDT that you have. And this way you can make changes to it. Suppose you are sending it from any other chain, suppose it is Ethereum and you are sending to Solana, and you are sending Ethereum or any other coin, simply select it from here. So this way you would be able to transfer or bridge crypto from Solana or to Solana using all bridge. Just connect wallet. Now it will require MetaMask. So the connection and the wallet required will be different for different chains. When we are using Ethereum, it would require you to send using MetaMask. The connection and wallet will depend on the tokens that you have. Suppose if it is Stellar and Solana and you want to transfer your USDC, it has AS as its prefix because this is the kind of way of storing USDC, the Solana USDC on a Stellar. So when we click on connect, it would ask us to connect some Stellar wallets, and if you have these wallets, you can simply connect with them. Like just simply click on Lobster wallet and it will send you the connection request. Now I can just simply scan this QR code and connect with my Lobster wallet. And this is how you would be able to bridge Solana. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.